Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover a project after crash in Blender. Before we start, I recommend you to subscribe my channel to stay up to date with my videos. Okay, but let's start from beginning. If you would like to recover your project, we need to go to the left upper corner and click on File. Then we need to go to Recover, and here we have something like autosave. We need to select this one option. And here you can find your Blender autosave projects. I recommend you to click on Date Modified. It will let you to sort autosave files. So I select here last file version and I click Recover Autosave. After that, our file will be successfully recovered. The second method that I recommend you to use is based on another settings. In this way, we need to go to File, then we need to go to Recover, and here we have something like last session. We can select this option, and on this way we can open here last session, and our file has been successfully recovered here. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.